decided to come down and have a chat because we'd been to the dentist and Mathew had 2 missing teeth, which at the time he had false teeth on a plate, on a retainer, and they were causing him problems, and the dentist couldn't really give any definite solutions. So Mathew went into London and had a bone scan done. We brought that along to see Shaz at Dental Works, and he introduced us to David, who gave us some sound advice on the possible options. What we were worried about initially was that Mathew didn't have enough bone in his jaw, so we had originally been told that he was going to have a bone graft.
Which would be taken from my hip.
Which would have been taken from his hip, and Mathew basically had 2 gaps in his teeth, which meant that you weren't able to smile confidently. Can you say a little bit about the plate?
Previously I had a retainer which contained 2 false teeth, which I'd have to take out every time I eat, and like clean every time I eat, which was just a pain. So it'd be easier to have the implants, which were permanent.
Yeah, and Mathew had an occasion where he took this plate out, and the waitress in a restaurant went to take the whole plate away, which obviously would have been then a financial cost. So basically, it was an issue, basically not having the implants. So we came to see David, and he sorted out a treatment plan for us. He discussed all our options. He showed us some very gruesome pictures, told us lots of information about how things would happen. Made Mathew feel very comfortable about the procedure, explained how Mathew would be awake, but that he would have that he wouldn't be able to feel anything. And I don't know how you felt about the actual operation.
I have no recollection of the operation, which is a good thing, I guess. So that's good. Not
traumatised at all by the dentist's work at all. You know, it was a very confident, easy process, wasn't it?
Very.
The procedure was very tricky because instead of having the bone graft, Mathew had some, I don't know what it was, but it was like a fake jaw thickener, I presume. And then he had 2 implants put in.
Yeah.
The gap was quite narrow, so I think it was quite difficult for David to actually do that process. But now I think you feel much more confident.
I feel far more confident, yes.
Can you say something about the cleaning and the permanence and the fact that you can smile a bit easier?
Yeah, David matched the colour of the teeth really well, which obviously makes them look as if they were normal teeth, and out of all my friends no one actually noticed that there were actually fake teeth there. So, and cleaning them is far easier. I don't have to worry about taking them out every time I eat. It just feels as if I've got normal teeth there. I barely have any, I can barely remember even using the retainers anymore.
Yeah.
And it's just much easier.
Yeah, and the payment options were very good. We paid in interest-free instalments, so that made financially things much better. And I think you just basically felt you've got no trauma.
No trauma whatsoever, no.
No, and it's made Mathew feel much more confident. Nobody would know that he's got implants, and David has looked after us extremely well, and we would absolutely
recommend anyone else to come here.
Recommend anyone else to come here and not to be afraid to have the implants put in, because it really was.
It is a life-changing thing.
And completely pain-free.
Very, yeah.
Even the aftercare, everything was taken care of. So we would be very happy to recommend.
Yeah, and we're very, very grateful to David as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so.